Number 1. 1978 Chevrolet K20 Cheyenne 3/4-ton pickup truck, $1,700, Seattle, Washington. This 1978 Chevrolet K20 Cheyenne is a rugged heavy-duty pickup powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission and four-wheel drive. Previously used for farm work and hauling, the truck remains mostly stock with 73,000 miles showing. Rust is present in several areas, and the seller mentions possible engine work may be needed, but its classic square body styling and durable chassis continue to make these K20 models highly collectible. Number 2. 1982 Ford Dually, $2,950, Kaufman, Texas. This 1982 Ford Dually is a solid foundation for someone wanting a classic heavy-duty tow rig or custom project truck. Equipped with a 351M V8 engine and automatic transmission, the truck currently needs either a rebuild or an engine swap, but the body remains relatively straight for its age. The red paint, good glass, solid seat, and tight front suspension suggest the truck has not been excessively abused. Rust in the cab corners and a few dents are expected on an early 1980s work truck, yet the overall condition remains respectable. Dually trucks from this era have become increasingly desirable thanks to their aggressive stance, classic square styling, and popularity among diesel swap builders and custom truck enthusiasts. Number 3. 1969 GMC Sierra 2500, forcing $200, Kennewick, Washington. This 1969 GMC Sierra 2500 represents one of the most respected generations of General Motors heavy-duty pickups. Originally built as a factory big block air-conditioned truck, it now features a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives well, supported by a new battery and starter, dual exhaust, and updated Chevrolet wheels and tires. Most of the original air conditioning components are still present, which adds restoration potential. The brakes reportedly feel soft and may need bleeding, but the truck's clean glass and solid running condition make it an appealing classic workhorse. Late 1960s GMC pickups are admired for their clean body lines, durable construction, and timeless American truck styling. Number 4. 1978 Ford F-150, $2,000, Parthenon, Arkansas. This one-owner 1978 Ford F-150 farm truck is an authentic survivor from Ford's golden era of full-size pickups. Powered by a big block V8 engine and backed by a manual transmission with four-wheel drive, this truck captures the rugged simplicity that made Ford trucks legendary among ranchers and farmers. Despite being a working truck, it reportedly starts, runs, and shifts through all gears properly, while the four-wheel drive system remains operational. The absence of rust in the cab is particularly impressive for a truck of this age, and the original hubcaps help preserve its vintage character. Trucks like this are increasingly difficult to find in unmodified condition, especially with manual transmissions and functioning four-wheel drive systems. Number 5. 1986 Mazda B2000, $5,000, Watsonville, California. The 1986 Mazda B2000 is a dependable compact pickup equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and power steering. Recent maintenance includes a new starter, alternator, ignition coil, and timing belt. Its lowered stance and clean body give the truck extra appeal among fans of vintage Japanese mini trucks. Number 6. 1985 Ford F-350 Dually Diesel 6.9, $4,000, O'Brien, Oregon. This 1985 Ford F-350 Dually is powered by the respected 6.9-liter International diesel engine and includes a fifth-wheel hitch with dual rear wheels. Although it has been sitting and will require some fuel system work, these early Ford diesel trucks remain highly valued for their reliability and towing capability. Number 7. 1999 Dodge Dakota 4-wheel drive, $750, Denver, Colorado. This 1999 Dodge Dakota offers affordable entry into the world of midsize American pickup trucks. Powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission, the truck reportedly runs very well despite showing 232,000 miles. The Dakota earned a reputation for combining compact dimensions with near full-size truck capability, especially in V8 form. Finished in green with a clean title, this example could serve as an inexpensive work truck, winter vehicle, or budget restoration project. Trucks from the late 1990s remain popular because they are mechanically straightforward and generally inexpensive to maintain, compared to newer pickups filled with electronic systems. Number 8. 1983 Chevrolet C10 2-wheel drive long bed, $2,000, New Lenox, Illinois. This 1983 Chevrolet C10 square body pickup is a promising restoration candidate with strong collector appeal. Equipped with a 305 cubic inch V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission, the truck represents the final years of the beloved square body generation that dominated American roads during the late 1970s and early 1980s. Although it is currently not running, the truck was originally a one-owner farm vehicle and reportedly remains structurally solid despite dents and surface rust. Missing items such as the windshield, vent window, grille, and weather stripping are common restoration needs for trucks of this era. Square-body Chevrolet trucks continue to rise in value because of their timeless styling, excellent parts availability, and huge popularity in the custom truck scene. Number 9. 1989 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 2-wheel drive, $2,300, Seabeck, Washington. This 1989 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 extended cab long bed is a practical heavy-duty classic pickup with substantial mechanical updates already completed. Powered by the dependable 5.7-liter 350 V8 engine and automatic transmission, the truck reportedly runs strong and drives smoothly. Recent improvements include a new battery, shocks, water pump, clutch fan, and a completely renewed exhaust system, including the catalytic converter and muffler. The transmission has also been replaced at some point, and the engine appears to have received previous work as well. While the passenger door requires repair, the truck benefits from nearly new heavy-duty tires and strong braking performance. Late 1980s Chevrolet trucks are highly respected for their reliability, comfort, and unmistakable square body design language. Number 10. 1985 GMC 2500 Sierra Classic, $4,900. Upland, California. This 1985 GMC 2500 Sierra Classic combines vintage styling with premium factory options, including air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, and power door locks. Powered by a 350 V8 engine and turbo hydromatic 400 transmission, the truck reportedly runs well and recently passed emissions testing. The Sierra Classic trim remains highly desirable among collectors. Number 11, 1971 Dodge pickup with liftgate, $13,500. Cascade, Idaho. This 1971 Dodge pickup is a rare and fascinating survivor with a documented history and unique utility features. Originally owned by the city of Nampa and later preserved by the current owner for approximately 40 years, the truck features a liftgate and removable rack crossbars designed for hauling furniture and large appliances. Powered by a dependable 318 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission, the truck has accumulated approximately 140,815 miles. The seat has been professionally reupholstered, and the tires remain in good condition. Early 1970s Dodge trucks are becoming increasingly collectible due to their distinctive styling, durable drivetrains, and relative rarity compared to comparable Ford and Chevrolet pickups. The long ownership history and original paint further enhance this truck's authenticity and collector appeal. Number 12, 1980 Ford F-250 Ranger 4-wheel drive, $4,500. Santa Barbara, California. This 1980 Ford F-250 Ranger is a first-year bullnose Ford pickup, powered by a 351 V8 engine with a 4-speed manual transmission and 4-wheel drive. The truck reportedly runs and drives well after recent servicing. Its Ranger trim package and classic bullnose styling continue to attract vintage Ford truck enthusiasts. Number 13, 1987 Ford Ranger, $1,500. Shawnee, Oklahoma. This 1987 Ford Ranger is a simple compact pickup equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission. Showing 74,210 miles, the truck could make an affordable restoration project or dependable utility vehicle. First-generation Ford Rangers remain appreciated for their durability, lightweight design, and easy maintenance.